Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be giving you something very important, something you will love. People have been asking me about this, especially my friends, my friends and close people. Okay, today I will show you how to browse the internet without any data. How to use internet on your Android phone without any data. You don't need Wi-Fi to do it. You don't need any data. You don't need any subscription to do it. It's totally free. You will use the internet for free. As you can see, I'm trying to connect here. I'm on Google Chrome and I'm trying to connect, and it telling me that I have no internet. Let me just show you something so that you see. It says I have no internet. Well, let me just activate something. Okay, my mouse. I need my mouse to okay, display over other apps. Okay, I think my mouse is on now. Okay, I think my mouse is on now. So as you can see, it's telling me that I have no internet. You can see, and to prove that to you again, you can see here it says no internet. To prove that to you again, I'm going to try to go to Google again. I'll click on Google again, and you see there's no internet on my phone, and my Wi-Fi is switched off. You can see there's no Wi-Fi here. There's no Wi-Fi here. So I'm going to check my data again to tell you that I have no internet on my phone. To let you know that I have no internet on my phone, I'm going to show you show you my data, that I have no data on my phone. But this technique is very free. You can use it on any Android phone. So for me to check my data, it's 137 hash star and hash again for me to check my data, so that you know that there is no internet on my phone. You see, as you can see here, it says orange information. Your total balance is 8.17 leons. Your data balance is 0 megabytes. Your 4G balance is 215 MB, which goes for I don't know what that is for, but what I know is that I don't have any data on my phone. So let's go into the process. But first, I want you to like and comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel to get amazing content and to get future videos for my channel. Let's go right into it. Now, what we'll be using for this process is a VPN. At the end of the video, I'll show you the name of the VPN and how to get it. Now, this is the VPN. I'll show you the name of the VPN so you know how to get this VPN at the end of the video. This is the VPN. The name of the VPN, as you can see here, let me just show you something. It says free internet VPN, unlimited offers, Wi-Fi security, online privacy, and access content and apps like Facebook, Netflix, BBC, YouTube, and Skype by Posey. So which means when you have this VPN, you will have unlimited internet on your phone without any internet, without any data. So now the VPN is connected. As you can see, it's connected. It's showing disconnect. Now it's connected. Right, just look, it's sending no data. See, it says waiting for usable network. usable network. Okay, so now I'm going to switch my data on. So for you to know that this VPN can give me free internet, I'll show you the link on how to download it and show you the name of this VPN and how you go about downloading this VPN. Now my data is on. Let's see. Okay, my data is on now. My data now, I don't have an internet, I don't have an MB on my phone. To prove that to you again that I don't have an MB on my phone, if I switch my data off, my service provider will give me a message that I have no MB on my phone. As you can see, my VPN is on now. You see up here, my VPN is connected. See, the VPN is connected. So let me prove to you again that I have no data on my phone. I'll switch my data off again. I'll receive a message automatically. See, okay, now the message is here. Your orange info, your data balance is 8.7 leons. So your credit balance, my credit balance is 8.7 leons. Your data balance is 0 MB, 0 MB, and now they are telling me to browse more and pay less. Get 10 MB for 450 leons, 50 leons. Which means I have no MB, I have no data on my phone, I have nothing on my phone. Even my network is telling me that I can browse more. They're advertising me to me now that I can browse more without by paying less, but I don't need that service. What I need is just this VPN to bypass all their services, all their network. So the VPN is still connected. I'm going to go off the VPN now and switch off on my data again. My data is on. As you can see, my data is on. Now I'm going to try to go to Google again now, because my VPN is on, my data is on. The VPN will appear here shortly. It will appear at the top to show that it's on, it's working, it's magic. So let's see the magic. Can you see the magic? Can you see the magic? Oh wow, I'm connected. My phone is connected with an internet with no data on my phone. I have an internet now with no data on my phone. I can search now. See, for instance, I want to go to YouTube. As you can see, YouTube. Okay, I think that's the VPN. That's the VPN. Okay, my VPN. I'm connected to Thailand. So let me just exit the VPN and continue to this browser, to my browser. I want to go to YouTube. YouTube. So